Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Glad to have you in here. Who we got first in the chat today? We got John J. Alvarez first in the chat. What's going on, man? Long Johnson, how you doing? Me and my wife's friend watch your videos together. Sorry, every week. Finally catching you live. Thanks, Long Johnson. Very nice, man. Glad to have you in here. Juana Silva, third in the chat. What's going on, Juana? No, Ola Alvarez. I'm supposed to be first one in the chat. It's all right. It's all right. First one in the chat, last one in the chat, first one in my heart. You got it, Juana. Just kidding. Good deal. John J. Architect, Tim, PS5, Zachary, Long Johnson, Hemi Life, PS5, James, Long Johnson, PS5, and Net Trading. What's going on, man? Let's go on over here to the market and see what's happening in the market right now. AMC really doing nothing. Still down about 4% on the day, sitting at $11.91. Shiba Inu coin trading sideways, sitting 1.30% higher at $10.95. GameStop, $129, down 3.5% on the day. Not too much going on here either. Bitcoin, $31,400, up 5% on the day. Hey, the NASDAQ is back in positive territory. That is good news. Sitting at $12.50 right now, up 0.30%. Biora Therapeutics, 77 cents. AMC, $11.90. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all green on the day. Sundial sitting at $37.60, down 0.27%. Mullen Auto, $1.37, sitting 8% higher. CEI, 61 cents. Man, CEI is down 5% on the day right now. SPY is up 0.25%, BBIG up 3%, Highcroft Mining up 1.9%, Netflix is down 1.2%, and Redbox still doing well on the day, $6.72, up 5% as of right now. Good deal, good deal. Not a bad mixed market today. It's all right. I can be here to talk options. Yeah, Long Johnson, man. So we could talk options trading. I don't do a ton of options trading. I would consider myself educated in options trading. So absolutely, man, we can talk about options trading if you want. After I go look at it again, the Nelson channel said something, but what are you looking at again, man? I don't know. Hey, bro, keep up the good work. Jack, man, thank you very much. Keep up your good work, too, dude. What's up, Clay Brown fam? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. When we get the Lambos. Jack, soon. Lambos. Jack, do you really want a Lambo? Lambos are expensive, man, and really, like, little two-seater cars. I don't even think I would want a Lambo. I really don't. I think if I was going to get a 6 sports car like that, I'd probably go with a Stingray Corvette or something. Still got your 2 seats. That car is sick looking, and it's probably going to end up costing, what, less than half the price of a Lambo? So I'd rather have the Corvette out there. My gosh, some Lambos, it's probably even 1/10 of the cost of some Lambos out there. So I'd go with Stingray Corvette, but I don't know about you guys. Yes, Tim is exactly right. Soon is the Lambo. PS5 is going okay. Just ready for this darn squeeze. Me too, Trapper. Me too. Oh, man, thought I had a little bug land on my knee, but I didn't see it, so good to go there. Hoorah, good stuff. My question, where do you see the overall market, stock market headed? Long Johnson. Down? I honestly think it's going to continue going down in the short term. Why? Because there's so much going on in the market right now. So many things like affecting the overall stock market with inflation and interest rates. Some people point to leadership and things like that, regardless of getting in on some sort of a debate. You've got political uncertainty with what Russia and China are doing. In the C word, it's still lingering out there. I know it is. It hasn't been a problem lately, but it's still a possibility. So there's a lot going on that hasn't been resolved yet. And until those things kind of get resolved or quiet down, I think we still got some downside potential or downside movements left. Long term, dude, up, and away, man. Long term, I truly think we're going to look at this dip we've been in 2020 here. Let's look at a monthly dip, man. You see, this dip looks massive right now, doesn't it? On a monthly basis, this dip looks absolutely massive. Largest dip we've had in the last decade. Now, remember 2008? Remember 2008 back here? Everybody panicking. Things were terrible. Dude, it looks like nothing right now. This massive dip we've got, one of these days, dude, one of these days, it is going to look like nothing. We could be dipping from 75,000 back down to 50,000 points on the NASDAQ, and people will be worried about that. But this right here, it'll just be a tiny little blip. So long term, absolutely bullish. Short term, I'm still kind of bearish. So hopefully that answers your question on that one. Hey, how's all the bros today? Stig, I'm doing good, man. How you doing? I'm gonna get another 72 Pantera. Well, dude, get it whatever your heart desires, man. That's what I say go with. Unless you are 5'9", under 170, a Lambo isn't comfortable. I'll stick with my Prius. 5'9", under 170, shoot, man. I've never actually, in my entire life, I've been in, like, new Corvettes, yes. But I've never sat inside of a Lamborghini. I do not know I don't even know what it feels like, man. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it feels like. Never been in a Lambo. I don't really care to be in one. I'd rather be in a Vet. Everyone excited when Luna goes crazy because they're looking for profit. We can't sell anyways. I was late this morning, but I got my Voyager drop. Waiting on uphold. Nice. Caesar got his Voyager, your 2.0 airdrop. What you're talking about, right? You got your Luna and you got your locked Luna. Now, you do know the difference between your Luna 2.0 and your locked Luna, right? Just want to make sure that you know your locked Luna is going to get unlocked when it is vested, and it's going to turn into Luna at that point. AMC coming back up to $12 per share. Guys, over, under, call it right now. Is it ending over? And don't be shy, man. Get it in the chat. Get your guesses out there. You guys make me guess all day. Over, under, $12. Where do you see us finishing today? 12 plus or 12 minus? We need to know right now. The markets are going through a metaphorical baptism that is much needed. Just brace for it as well as look for opportunities. Invest in yourself. Dang, dude, that best part right there is invest in yourself. I mean, that part is true, guys. You know, if you do invest in yourself, that's something you're never going to lose. So listen to Rocket on that one, man. So what's new, Clay? Down, red day, go figure. Kalani, absolutely, man. Nothing new as far as a red day goes. As far as actually what's new, you know, I don't know what all is new right now. I've been feeding some squirrels, so that's kind of new. But you guys saw the video the other day, so that's not really that new. But yeah, I don't know. I don't actually know if there's anything really new going on. Anybody out there got anything new? We get an over, under. AERC killing it. Let's go, Clay. Give it a look. AERC. Is that the thing that got FDA approval today? The like air filtration? Yes. And that is the thing that got the approval, the FDA approval. Yeah, man. So these guys soaring today on this news right here, where they at cleaner, safer indoor air. They got let's scroll up. Where we at? FDA clearance for air purification technology. It's up 13%. Yeah, 13%, right? Doubled in price today, guys. AERC, don't know how much. It is running into resistance right here. So, boom, tap the same resistance. Boom, tap the same resistance. Boom, tap the same resistance. If it breaks through, you can see a massive run up to the $9 range. If it doesn't break through, obviously it's going to come back down. But AERC running strong today on the fact that they got FDA approval for some sort of an air purification technique. Don't know what they're doing. Don't know if it's just a filter or what their business is. But FDA approval. Big news for AERC. And it is rolling, man. 100% gain in a day. Lexus, nice. Wanna says 12 plus. Stig says over. AMC Trapper says under. Jack says race car. Let's see what it is. Oh, did it end already? Did it? Are we at 4 o'clock? And it was under. $11.95 is where we closed at. Sitting at $11.93 after hours right now. Shiba Inu coin, $10.97. GameStop closing at $129.31. Down $4.39 on the day, 3.28%. The NASDAQ closed today at 1261, in the green by 0.40%. BR Therapeutics down on the day at 3%. Sundial closed at 37.55. Mullen Auto, $1.38. We'll watch and see if anything happens here after hours. Pretty volatile last week. Camber Energy, 60.81. We've got the SPY closing at 411.79. BBIG closing at 213 with a green candle after hours. We like green, guys. Highcraft Mining sitting at $1.35. And Netflix closing at $197.14. Redbox closed the day at $6.70, 4.80% higher. Any major movers today? Alibaba had a good day, right? Up 6% there. That's not bad. Bitcoin's having a good day. Okay. Anything else? No, that's not good. Not good. We don't like red. We like green. Let's see what we got. Anything in here? Nope, nothing in here. Any major movers? Don't see any right now. Whatever this is, not a bad day. Oh, it's National Cinemedia. This is that stock that AMC got some free shares in. Dangerous company, I'm telling you. BitNile, not bad. 35 cents today, down 3%, but it's back up 2% after hours. We get anything else? Let's see. I don't see any major gainers in this watch list that we got here. Veru's rolling after hours. Veru's up 5% after hours after being down 6% on the day. So it's got some pretty big candles coming in here after hours for some reason. Don't know what's going on with that. You get news or something? I don't even see any news coming in there. Huh. Veru rolling after hours. I know some people are talking about that. I don't know if you guys got it or not, but it's running. I was right. AMC Trapper was right. It was under $12 per share. We've got price prediction for Luna in a year, or is it just too speculative? Oh man, Caesar. That's like trying to guess the price for Shiba Inu coin when it first came out, man. People could just get fed up and done with Terra Luna, and it could literally be at 0. 50 zeros and a 1 by next year. If everybody gives up and just moves on, yeah. If these lunatics stick around, and you couple the fact that it's got a drastically lower price, everybody's looking at it. If we start to turn around and this crypto bear market is done, we turn into a bull market, dude, it could easily run up drastically higher in price. So it is extremely speculative, and unfortunately, I couldn't give a good guesstimate. Even if Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs, where in the world does Luna Classic go at that point? Does it go to its previous market cap? Does it go well beyond it? Because we've got a brand new base of investors now. Very tough call to make. What's that Shibarium news floating over Twitter, releasing this week or month? Yeah, Savam. So I actually did see the headline. Watcher Guru was posting something. I did not actually go in and read the article, so I don't know what they're talking about with that. Some people were talking about a beta release coming out later this month. I have not read where that was from, but that would be my guess, is that there's some speculation surrounding Shibarium based on different beta release articles that people are reading. So that's, like I say, man, that's my guess. I did not actually read the article, but I did see people posting that on Twitter as well. Thoughts on Amazon this week? Mike. Might be a little bit more volatile than normal based on the split just happening, but I do like the price point on on Amazon. So, people that were priced out before at $2,000 a share, sitting at $120 a share, I think they're going to be much more enticed to grab a couple shares of Amazon. They're probably going to believe that it's going to go back up to $2,000 sometime soon. It's not just going to 20x in price and give you like a $20 trillion valuation or something ridiculous. So you still have to keep in mind that its market cap is the same as it was prior to the split. But I do think there's going to be people enticed by the price of Amazon, and it might encourage them to get in. Let's see. Do you contact your followers on Twitter by sending them messages super late? Or is this a scam? Please let me know. Net trading, most likely a scam, man. So, I go to bed what you guys would probably consider early. I'm in bed by 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I don't know what super late is. Super late, like if you're in Europe, I could definitely still send you a message. But no, man, I'm probably not just going to randomly send you a message. I would answer a message, but I'm probably not just going to randomly send you a message out of nowhere and say, hey, what's going on, man? How's your trading going? Is it going good? You want to send me your money? No, I'm not going to do that. Tesla, C. No, I missed something. Called it. Where's my money? Let's get it, Long John. I got your money, but you gotta message me on WhatsApp. No, don't message anybody on WhatsApp. Woo! Look at AMC rolling. Another one of them glitch candles. What do we got here? My gosh. Hey, if this is one of them glitch candles, this one actually lasted into the second minute. SPY. Golly bum, man. Look at this SPY rolling around here. On 465 shares. 100 shares. This price action is wild, man. I don't know what's going on with this stuff. Yeah. BBIG glitching down on 100 shares. 5% down. AMC glitching up 80 cents on 12. About 5%. And then right back down. Man. I don't understand what's going on with these stocks. This stuff is crazy, though. We'll just get rid of it. We don't need to see it on the chart. Just keep it normal here. We'll keep it normal and we'll watch it. Pretend like that didn't even happen. Man, I don't understand why it's got to do that. It does it every day now. It does it every single day. Watch Bitcoin down here, still ticking. Ain't no after hours for Bitcoin. It's 24 hours a day. Never invested in stocks or crypto, but for the last few weeks, I've been trying to immerse myself in content, watching to learn. I watched a good amount of your content. Appreciate you. Hey, high performance living. Awesome, man. Awesome. Here's the thing, okay? See SafeMoon have a 1,000... No, I did not see... Did SafeMoon really have a 1,000% gain day? When? I did not see that it had 1,000, and I still don't see that it had 1,000% gain day. Talking to high performance investor though, look, dude, the best thing that you can do, you know, now's a great time. Okay, now's a great time to think about investing, get confident with investing, and then jump in, man, jump in slow. But we are in a massive bear market now, so picture this. It's 2008, and you're thinking about starting investing. Clearly, you missed the top. You're all right there. We are down. The market is down like 20-30% from the November highs, and you are looking at some pretty good opportunities. Obviously, it can move lower. It can drop even further than where we are right now. So if you do decide to get in, know that you are entering during a bear market. If you don't time the bottom perfectly, it's going to be okay. Entering in a bull market like we saw really over the last decade, nearly any time that you get in, you would have been fine because the market was just soaring for the last decade. What we've got right now is a dangerous bear market. However, when it does start soaring again, you're going to see some extremely fast gains when we start to go back up and reach all-time highs once more. Now, the best thing that you can do is just be confident in your investments. Like you said, you've been immersing yourself in content. That is awesome. Test that content, though. If it doesn't sound like something you're interested in, if the volatility doesn't sound like something you're interested in, maybe take a step back, dude. Look at something that's easy. Look at something it's much more conservative. A lot of investors, they think they can handle the volatility. They want to get in. They want to make money real fast. They want to double, triple, quadruple their money overnight, and then they end up losing it, and then they never want to invest again. It might be much more boring, but if you invest in like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, you're going to be seeing small swings to the downside. You're talking 1-2% is a big day. Same deal to the upside, 1-2%. You're not going to get rich overnight, but at least it's going to expose you and see how you feel when the market moves a couple percent. Doesn't move at all. Maybe it's too boring for you. Maybe you try to get into some individual stocks, maybe some of the larger cap stocks, then move into some small cap stocks. They move even more. Invest into crypto if you want. It's much more volatile, but you got to do what's right for you, man. Rocket, haven't said that in a while. Nice. Now you have. AMC rug pull. No, Suvam. AMC's not a rug pull. High performance living. Check out Katie's insight. Oh, God. Remy. You're going to confuse him, man. You're going to confuse him. I'm telling you that right now. She confuses me, man. She confuses me. Like, as simple as that. Like, if I get confused, there's a very good chance you're going to get confused, too. Yeah, I don't know. Like, just confused is all I got. I received a notification. Didn't even know I had that notification on from like a year and a half ago. In what? What did you get a notification on, man? I missed it. Send it, check Twitter DM. Me or you? Only invest what you can afford to lose. Stig, absolutely, man. And you know that doesn't mean that only risk what you can afford to lose, right? Let's say you can afford to lose $1,000, but it doesn't mean you only have to have $1,000 in your investment account, and then you know you're willing to lose 100% of it. You know, if you want to put a 10% stop on there, hey, maybe you can invest $10,000. You get your 10% stop on there. If it doesn't work out, you got to reevaluate yourself, but you only lost $1,000 in that situation. So, yeah, only risk what you're willing to lose, but, yeah, that just goes with, you know, being stress-free. If you got too much invested and you're not willing to just let it ride and see what happens to it, it's going to lead to a very stressful life, man. Shib is cheap and it's a strong ecosystem with utility and online presence. It has a bright future. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are safe, though. I like it, man. I like it. Hey, and you know, there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Look at Solana. Solana's got the potential to easily go out there in 5-6x. Shiba Inu coin, sure, it could 10x. It could 10x to get back to its all-time highs. Ethereum, safer yet, but you're looking at maybe a 3x gain in Ethereum. And then Bitcoin, you can double your price in Bitcoin if it reaches its all-time highs again, and I'd say it's probably even safer than Ethereum. So, yeah, it just all depends on your risk-to-reward ratio and what you're looking at. I'm a big sports bettor. All right, well, this guy doesn't care about being conservative then. So, yeah, dude, go get Shiba right now. So the volatility doesn't necessarily scare me. I just want to learn how to be profitable and diversify the right way or have the right strategies going on. It would hurt. Thank you. Yeah, so high performer, it really does at that point all depend on your goals, right? If you want to use the stock market similar to sports betting, you're going to be more of a trader. You're going to want to look at some instant gratification. You're going to take on those high-risk plays. And, hey, volatility doesn't scare you? Dude, maybe that's what you like. But if you want to take your sports bet gains and then move them over to the stock market and have some safer, you know, actual investments growing over time, you can look at some more diverse options there and invest in the overall market, man, and expect those 7, 10, 15% annualized gains and be happy with those, watching your money grow, as opposed to coming in and betting big and hoping that you hit it. Did you see Richmond's leak? Giovanni, John Richmond's leak. Did they leak something about Shib? So I don't know. I did see that they posted something about a logo or something, but I don't know if that's what you're talking about. What do you think Trey's price predictions? Nick Ticko, what were they exactly? So I didn't watch his whole video, but I know people are in an uproar, like 200 and something. Is that what he was saying? Is a price prediction? Or what were the actual price predictions? Because you guys know I'm already one of the more conservative guys that's out there and what the price potential and things like that are. So he can't be much more conservative than I am. Hey, I just hopped on and say it looks like we missed the squeeze after hours. We did, JB. We did, man. The squeeze came in. It was unlimited. It went up and then right back down, man. Squeeze, it was over. But you know what? The good news is it's probably going to happen again after hours tomorrow. So we're going to keep our eye on that, too, because we need that after hours squeeze action. All 465 shares were covered. Ooh, and then 1,000 shares were covered on the way back down. Crazy, man. They covered a whole 2,300 shares, 2,400 shares there. Wild. wild after hours squeeze action. Libra BTC strong 29,000. Your thoughts on October bull run, please, or earlier? Are regulations coming? I'm scared, but I hold on. Yeah, PS5. So I would imagine there are some regulations coming, and I don't know what they're gonna be. I do think that with the executive order that was out there, and the new funding or the new programs that are being implemented into looking at cryptocurrency and making recommendations, dude, I mean, it's almost inevitable that they come up with recommendations to regulate the crypto space. I mean, think about it, man. It's just more money for them. It's more people they can hire for government jobs. It's more ways that they can hit you with taxes and fees to list cryptocurrencies. It's more power and more oversight for them. They are in control. So yeah, dude, regulations are coming as much as they can get away with. But when they're coming, I have no idea. As for a bull run, dude, I hope we get there before October, but I'm prepared to outlast it if it's not in October. Let's see. Start gaming. What's the advisable gain a percent before exiting selling the asset? So start gaming. It all depends on what you're looking at, man. It really does. And it all depends on your trading strategy. If you're simply buying for gains, dude, if you can hit any gain day trading, you're going to be doing great. 5% is awesome. 10% is incredible. 1%, dude. If you go up 1% and you're a day trader, guarantee yourself a profit. If you're up by 2% and you want to guarantee yourself a profit, put a 1% trail on there and just see what happens. I mean, obviously, if you're a day trader, you're not afraid to pull the trigger and open up another position. So put a 1% stop on, man. Guarantee yourself a 1% gain on the day. It's massive gains throughout the year if you're hitting 1% a day. If you're just using moving average crossovers, maybe you don't use percentage gains to figure out when to take profit. If you're investing for the long term, maybe you don't even worry about percentage gains. You just let it roll. So there's a lot to consider, just more than what's an advisable percent gain to take and when you're like hitting your buys and sells. It really all depends on your personal trading plan. High performance. I realize stocks and crypto are better bets because in sports, when you lose all your money. In stocks and crypto, at least your money doesn't disappear unless it's Luna. That is true, man. But honestly, stock or sports betting, I would have no idea what I'm doing there, man. Zero whatsoever. John Richmond amping it up. What is John Richmond doing? I missed it. Somebody tell me. Bitstamp finally listed Shib 6 months after they announced they would. They're slow. Hey, Trey's in line with you now. What a shit. No! Trey's a shill. Are there any non-shills? Are there any non-shills left in AMC? Dude, what about the mass investor and short the VIX? Are they shills yet? Because Trey's a shill. Mad Coors is a shill. I'm a shill. How many shills are out there now? Come on, man. Everybody's a shill. I don't like it. No, maybe I do like it. They finally joined me in the shill camp. Where are we at? It's coming back down. I know I'm going to miss some of these guys. Sorry about that. But, well, I'm going to come back down and catch up. When are you going to make your Shib burn channel? We need your support in the burns. Hemi. Yeah, but you technically, everybody knows they could just watch Matt Perry's Shib burn channel, right? So here's the thing. Crypto is new. 80% of Americans don't do crypto. In my opinion, this is a hodl or a swing trade game. A volatile market compared to stocks. Stocks are volatile. Just volatile. Yeah, Caesar, 100%, man. I do think there's a day when more Americans will hold crypto. But the fact that we aren't there yet, hey, take advantage of your gains. We go through some massive bull runs and some massive bear runs, but still longer term, I'm bullish on crypto. Stack your algo, HBAR, and Shib. Give it 3 years, y'all. Be patient. Cake. Ooh, cake down in the $4 range, isn't it? Pancake is down in the $4 range. Jack, look, I like Pancake Swap, man. I'm not going to lie. Pancake Swap getting hit like everything else is getting hit too. I don't know where the bottom is at, but I do like that decentralized exchange, man. So when things start to bounce back, which we know it's getting hit along with the overall crypto market. When things start to bounce back, I think cake is going to bounce back too. I want to eat snake. Never eat snake, man. Like if it guaranteed a moon, I would eat a snake. But if it doesn't guarantee a moon, nope, not eating a snake, not happening. Thank you so much, man. Awesome, bro fist. Boom, start gaming, absolutely, man. Where's Lucid going? Plant-based MD, hopefully up. Lucid $19 range today, right? Lucid. Where is Lucid, man? LCI. Oh, there it is. Can't read. Yep, $19 range today. Let's see here. Lucid had some trouble at this resistance level. Boom, tapped it here. First developed a little support. A little support again in that range. Resistance. Wasn't able to break through this area right in here. So it came back down. I don't know if it quite tested support just yet, but we may see another pullback down to that $18 range. But hopefully after that, very strong support here. So hopefully after that, it bounces back up and is able to retake that $20 level. But it has had some problems getting back up above that $20 level there. But hopefully up, man. I don't have any Lucid, but I like the company. Juana! Thank you very much for the... Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wanna thank you very much for the Scuba Rockstar. Really appreciate that super sticker. It is a Scuba Rock. I couldn't figure out whether it was a scuba diver, whether it was a rock star. So he is a Scuba Rockstar. Wanna thank you very much, Mike. Wanna, you really, I mean it, Wanna. I mean it. You don't have to send super stickers. I really mean it. You are incredible, and I would rather just see you talking in the chat. Did someone say cake? Oh, yes, I like cake. The one you eat. Caesar likes it. Click. Please don't say that as a glitch. No, Crypto Rocketeer. Oh, it was a nice glitch, too, man. Look at this. Look at this glitch, dude. Off the charts. Oh, no. It was a glitch, man. Ridiculous glitch, too. Up about 5% and right back down about 5% in the next candle. I'm telling you, dude. One of these days, it's not going to be a glitch, and it's just going to boom, 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 boom. Right, one right after another, man. It's going to happen, but unfortunately, they got us today. I was quick on it, though. We pulled the chart up right after it happened, but they couldn't keep up with it, man. They couldn't keep up with it. Well, that's as far as I can zoom in on the chart there, so that's what we're watching. The most confusing super sticker. Yes, that fella is confused. He is it doesn't have a name, right? That dude is an underwater rock star for sure. Zera B. I like the Amazon split, dude. I like Amazon down in that $100 range instead of the $2,000 range. I think a lot of more people are going to be able to buy it now. Anyone attacking Trey for being realistic, I should grow up. Clay agrees with him, and so do I. We were never going to get anywhere close to 100,000. Yeah, listen, it's hard for people to understand that $100,000 a share is very, 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 very difficult, and if not impossible, right? Especially after having 500 million shares outstanding now. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if you're dashing hopes, if they have one share and they need to see it go to $100,000, or if I don't know what the deal is. But man, I took a lot of hate last year for saying $100,000 is going to be extremely difficult, if not impossible, to reach. And I have always been a little bit more conservative on my price predictions for AMC. Honestly, I really would love to see $1,000 a share. I don't think that would be insane on a couple different things. I don't think it would be insane for investors with a 100 share average to reach $1,000 a share, $100,000 in their portfolio. I do think with the amount of investors there are, and having that low amount in their portfolios, that is doable. It's able to hold out that far. Not easy, right? Because trust me, after they beat the snot out of us for the last year, after having this crap kicked out of you for a year, when it starts to roll back up, I know everybody is going to be tempted to take their money. I really do. Even if you break even, if things are looking good, if somebody who's been down a year on their money and seen it just disappear 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%, and all of a sudden, boom, in a 1-2 day period, they're back to break even, I think that they're going to get much more conservative than they had originally anticipated. If you jumped in like June of 2021, if it would have shot up right in June of 2021 to 100, 200, 300, 400, I think everybody would have been encouraged and excited and let it run a little bit more. But after beating us down for a year, I think a lot of people will be, they're going to err on the side of caution and be conservative. Let's see. Juana, tell Clay in Spanish. What did Juana say? Did I miss something that Juana said? Don't, man. Please don't ever miss. Let's see. Juana says, I love you. You? Was there a you in there? Oh, man. I don't know what she said. What is it? Te amo? Te amo, Juana? Is that how you say it in Spanish? Not exactly sure. My Spanish is terrible. En español, por favor. Yes, Clarinho da Brozinho, I'm late, was listening to Heated Effect on YouTube. Man, Mr. Simon, you're supposed to be listening to me on YouTube, man. I'm gonna listen to some other stuff on you. don't know what you're doing in here. You're a bro, dude. You gotta stay in here with the bros. Outdoor Smile, locked in everything out of Lunk, but I'm pretty much trading constantly. But buy and wait. SN. We get an SN. I doubled my Lunk position over the weekend, and I suck at trading, so stay away. Oh, my God, man. Hey, dude, if you doubled your Lunk position over the weekend, did you double it when it was at that 700 point per coin range? Low 800s? I don't think you're doing too bad, man, if you got in there. If you doubled it up there. I don't know where your average is, but that was a pretty low price that we saw. Just thoughts on Saitama. Tony, man. Saitama's just been riddled with problems. I don't really follow the community too much. I know they have a huge social media presence, but it always seems like they're trying to put out some sort of a fire, dude. Or scheduling a release and then the release never happens and things like that. So, I don't know. I'm not too much of a Saitama guy myself. Outdoor Smile, I've knocked out. Saw that. Do you think that Shiba hasn't gained traction because of the Discord hack? Do I think that Shib hasn't gained traction or Wellies? I think Shib has gained traction. 7, I hear that set of flow burns are really ramping up. When $1? JB, when $100, man? That's the real question. When $100? Good stuff. Ethereum will be my horse I am betting on. Long Johnson, very good. I truly do think that you need to watch out for that $30,000 level on Bitcoin. I know it looks like a great day today. It is nice and green. We've got this channel on here right now where massive resistance forming in the $32,000 range, massive support forming in the $28,000 range, but this red line, this $30,000 mark, is where Bitcoin really needs to maintain. If it falls down through this and continues to the downside like it was wanting to do right here, we could absolutely see a decline to 10,000. If 20,000 doesn't hold up. 20,000, we hit it back here in 2021 for a minute. We hit it back here for 1 month back in, wow, that's all the way back there. Where are we at? It's a weekly chart. No, daily's fine. Just go daily. Back here. Okay, so 2020, beginning of 2021, really. End of 2020, we hung around this $20,000 mark for about a month. And then prior to that, the only other time we touched that 20,000 was back in 2017. So we could see some support of that $20,000 range. But man, we ran up so fast at the end of 2020. Little support in that $25,000 range, which is where it bounced off of here. But man, I'm telling you, we could be in for a massive decline if it's not able to hold this 30. So that's why That's why I'm so skeptical as to whether or not we're at the bottom yet or not. But Ethereum, look, same way, man. Same way on Ethereum. We've got our line right in here where we're at right now. Multi-year level of support. Boom, 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 boom. In this range, little support in this $1,000 to $1,200 mark. But then, dude, you're possibly coming all the way back down here to $400 or $500 a coin. Maybe $6, but like this range in here is where you're talking on Ethereum. So I'd watch Bitcoin, man. I am watching Bitcoin, but if I were you, I'd be watching Bitcoin too before you just go bet big. But hey, if this turns out to be, if this multi-year support turns out to be the bottom, we don't boom, 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 fall back down through there, this could be the perfect time to buy. So it's all about whether or not you think this level is going to hold. Either we're at the perfect time now or it's going to get a lot worse. Grandpa Barney, thank you for the super chat. Grandpa Barney says, your twin tried getting me to follow him yesterday. You never told me you had a twin. Which one of you is the shill? I'm the shill, Grandpa Barney. I'm the shill. But the other one is a fake shill. Grandpa Barney, the other one's a fake shill, man. We don't need no fake shills out here. Only the real shill. Gosh, I'm thirsty. Yeah, we don't need no fake shills running around here. We get the real shill, man. That's right. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much. Giovanni says, click Red Bull this week. Shibarium. Also, when is She Token coming out this month? Giovanni, I absolutely have no idea when She Token is coming out. And I would imagine something with Red Bull comes before Shibarium. But soon for Shibarium, right? Now, I don't know what's gonna happen this week. I would love to see Shibarium come out. I think a lot of people are gonna get extremely excited by that. But I guess only time's going to tell, man. Russ wants to be Ryoshi, a Faltron, and threatened to kill someone and left Saitama. My God. People are getting threatened to be killed, man. What the heck? Tony, that's a great question. I don't even know what Tony said, man. What did Tony say? Where's he at? I don't even know where he's at. 514 billion. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, man. It's not an obscene amount. It is an obscene amount for to value AMC at $1,000 a share. It's still a ridiculous amount to think that AMC would be worth that much. It's not, but it's not like that money doesn't exist. You know what I mean? I think it's still all going to boil down to whether or not people can hold to that. And I think that a lot of people their spirits are beaten down with this bear market we've been in, dude. But hey, if things start turning, man, imagine if all the boys up top, they were just like, well, you know what? We don't care about inflation. We're going to give everybody a $5,000 stimulus check. Shut up, stop complaining about gas. Shut up and stop complaining about food. We're going to give you $5,000 right now in stimulus. First of all, it would make things way, way, way worse. So accept it with gratitude in the beginning, and then expect the pain to come afterwards. But I wouldn't think that they would think that through. I definitely think it would be a possibility for them to do something like that. And if they did, then I would imagine a lot of people would start throwing that at the stock market too. So we could absolutely see some major gains overnight if they decided to do something crazy. Let's see, no disrespect, but Shib's a meme coin designed to fool uneducated people to put money in the pockets of those in charge of the ecosystem. Yeah, Long John, sort of, but not necessarily. So if you're buying Shiba Inu coin, the good news is that the ecosystem developers don't have control over Shiba Inu coin. They don't get to decide, what sort of a tax rate goes on it, and no transactions go into their pockets and things like that, at least while it's on Ethereum. If it moves over to Shibarium, could be a different story. But meme coin, in a sense, that's nobody can control the smart contract, and there's no utility other than value. Now, other than being used as a currency. Now, the good news is, because of its popularity, retailers across the globe are accepting Shiba Inu coin. But one of its main I guess one of its main attractions and one of its main uses, in my opinion, is its marketing value. Dude, it is, I'm going to say, impossible to find another coin with a more active social media presence. Now, Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum have more search volume, but that's because when people think cryptocurrency for the very first time, you know, it's almost like a Kleenex, or just Google it. Instead of saying search it, you say Google it. People know Bitcoin, so they're going to search for Bitcoin, and they may just be mistaking that for crypto in general. So Shiba Inu coin, massive marketing opportunities with the vast social media presence that they have. So I wouldn't count it out as a strict meme coin in the sense that it doesn't have value other than its price. I think that it has developed that over time. But I also like the fact that, you know, it's not another meme coin in the sense that developers are getting money every transaction. Clay, can you explain to me what Shiba Net is, and how does that help raise the price of Shib? Giovanni Lewis, no, not necessarily. I briefly looked into Shiba Net. Oh my gosh, dude, I think it was after the very first Ask Me Anything, man. I don't know what it is, dude. I don't know if it's just some sort of a like portal that you can use on the internet. I really don't know. I'm thinking about Long John Silver's fish sandwich now. Here, Long John. Cassie, I know what you're eating for dinner. You gotta go get yourself a Long John Silver's fish sandwich now. Not trying to solve that. Oh, I looked into the white papers, not really seeing anything that stands to me to prove me wrong. I'm an outsider. I'll be the first one to admit I'm wrong. Yeah, no. I don't like their white paper, dude. I wouldn't read their white paper. So they're white, because here's what I think, okay? I do think that the ecosystem development team that have created this white paper are trying to build up the ecosystem and not necessarily Shib. I'm going to be completely honest with you when I tell you that I don't even think that this ecosystem developer, like these developers, I don't think they created Shiba Inu coin. I think that they came around, attached themselves to it like a barnacle on a cruise ship, and said, we're along for the ride. And they're building up this ecosystem around it. And they just, you know, include Shiba Inu coin. But I wouldn't go off the white paper. Fala, Clay. Tudo beleza? Yes, tudo ótimo aqui. What is it? Jameson, tudo ótimo aqui, mano. I know you don't mess with BTT coin, BitTorrent, but please consider looking into it and what program you're running to analyze graphs. Jameson, so this is Webull. You can download Webull on your desktop, or you can download Webull on your phone. If you do want to use Webull, you guys got, I think, 3 days left. I think it's June 9th is the last day of their anniversary promo. You get 6 free stocks. I don't know what they're dropping it back down to after the anniversary promo. A lot of times when things are you know, just normal, it's 2 free stocks. Sometimes they go 4. They went 5 like last month. Really, because we've been in such a bear market that not as many people are signing up. And then their anniversary promo, you're getting 6 free stocks right now. And if you trade $1 in crypto, you're going to get $5 in crypto, but they've had that around for a while. But I don't know what they're dropping back down to after June 9th. So if you do want a Webull account, you don't even have to log in. You can download it on your phone. You can download it on your computer. But if you do want to sign up, hey, use the link in the description, man, and then you're going to get a reward. It's probably going to be less than 6 stocks if you sign up after the 9th, but at least you'll have that link locked in and you'll be able to get something. Lou Sasu says, what? Lou Sasu says, I don't even, what is that? Who's going to pull the rug? Rio Shikudine left, and no one holds the keys anymore. Boo! Yeah, Remy, that's what I like, man. Whoa! Dude, who was that fast? No way somebody was that fast. Who got the naked HD guy? Man, that's fast. Cassie from Mod, she's a very good fit for the role, and will fight the bots and shills. Cassie probably will fight the bots and shills. Cassie from Mod, guys, what do you guys think? Naked in the house, baby. Yeah, gone with that one. Yeah, gone with that one. Hey, bro, thanks. I hear ya. It just doesn't mean stable enough for a long-term investment. Put your money into bonds and trustworthy crypto and stocks, people. Yeah, bonds. You're not gonna make anything on bonds. Dude, I think one of the main reasons people are drawn to cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu coin, and you know that's not to say that everybody's investing their life savings in Shiba Inu coin either, but I think one of the main reasons is because literally we could wake up tomorrow and Shiba would double in price, triple in price, quadruple in price. Next week, I mean Shiba Inu coin could be back up at 8,800 points per coin. So I think the main reason everybody does it is that they know it's volatile, they know it's risky, but that the risk to reward ratio is there. So you know they know they're risking something, but dude, when Shiba runs, it runs, man. Triples, quadruples, quintuples in price in a matter of days. Let's see. They're saying that Shibarium will be burning billions per day and trillions per year. Is that really possible? So, Giovanni, it is possible, but let's talk about whether or not it is probable, okay? Now, there's a couple assumptions being made, and the first is that every single transaction, this is what we've been told, every single transaction that takes place on Shibarium will have a slight tax rate in it that will burn Shiba Inu coin. I do not know what that rate is. You know what I mean? Is it 1%? Is it a 0.1%? Is it a 0.01%? You know, one of the main reasons, there's two main reasons to go with a layer 2 blockchain, and that's transaction speed and transaction costs. You reduce the gas fees, and you increase the amount of transactions per second, decrease the amount of time that it takes to transact. So you could easily stay on Ethereum if you wanted to, if you didn't want some cost savings or some speed savings. But so depending on what that transaction tax is, and they won't tell us, right? I don't know why they won't tell us. It's one of the things I asked about during the Ask Me Anything that they did. But when we figure that out, it's going to depend on another thing then. Now, we know the tax rate. It's going to be there. How many people transact on Shibarium? Now, that's the different part, because you're not going to have to. You will be incentivized to do it, especially if you're wanting to buy and sell quite often, or if you're wanting to transact. Like if you're wanting to spend your Shiba Inu coin at places, you're going to see a lot more transactions because the gas fee is going to be basically reduced to nothing. So knowing that, it all depends on how many people use it. If everybody uses it, yeah, I mean, I easily see that if we're trading billions of dollars a day worth of Shiba Inu coin, and the transaction tax is 1%, dude, you're sitting on $10 million a day being burned. If it's 0.1%, you're sitting on $1 million a day being burned. If it's 0.01%, you're sitting on $100,000 a day being burnt. And that would be, at the current prices, dude, that would be 10 billion Shiba Inu coin. If it's 1,000%, you're still sitting on $10,000 a day being burnt in Shiba Inu coin, 1 billion tokens a day. So, those are making the assumptions that the same transactional volume that we see in Shiba now is happening on Shibarium, and then it all depends on the tax rate that's out there. Or you could do a mix of those, man. We end up with 10% of the volume that we've got on Ethereum's blockchain happening on Shibarium, and the burn rate is 1%, and then we're sitting at basically a 1/10% or 100% burn rate on the total transactional volume, which brings us back down to $100,000 a day or $10,000 a day that's being burnt, and so on. So, yeah, man, numbers are great, but it all depends on utility and the tax rate. What's your opinion on the clickbait where they say crypto to $1, etc.? I appreciate that you just inform and not big. Yeah, Caesar. So I do, like, I think it's tough, man. And I think here's my reasoning for not necessarily doing it. If I say, can this crypto go to $1, I'm going to be discussing whether or not I think this crypto can go to $1. But there's a lot of accounts out there that don't even show their face. They're just like either screen recordings or, you know, just gosh, like this, whatever. You know what I'm talking about? Like just with the graph and somebody sitting here talking, or having a robot read a script. But I think that it really attracts new users, and you're not going to see as many return visitors on videos like that, because once you kind of not ruin your reputation, but once you sit there and say that, yes, this is definitely going to go to $1 today, it's not going to be impossible, it's going to happen, and then it doesn't happen, you know, the next time you post a video like that, how many times can you cry wolf before the previous viewers get annoyed and the new ones continue to click because they want to see if that coin is going to go to $1 or not? But dude, I need to get more people to click on my videos, so if you guys get any good tips on how to clickbait without clickbaiting, let's do it. Clay, but if the price of Shiba goes up in value, is there less being burned on Shibarium? So Giovanni, there would roughly be the same like US dollar amounts being burnt, but it would be less Shiba Inu coin. So let's just say that, you know, right now, $10,000 burns 1 billion Shib. Well, dude, if Shib goes back up to 2,000 points per coin, we're sitting at $10,000 burning 500 million Shib. If it goes up to 4,000 points per coin, we're talking about it burning 250 million Shib. If it goes back up to, you know, whatever, it's going to keep getting cut in half. So if it goes back up to 88 or 8,000 points per coin, it's going to burn 125 million Shib. So it is, you'd still be burning the same US dollar amount, but you would be burning less Shiba Inu coin per transaction if the price goes up. Is 1% considered low for taxing you on Shibarium? So Giovanni, it would probably be considered low in comparison to other cryptocurrencies that have like transactional taxes in their smart contracts. A lot of them are, you know, 3-5%. But I don't know how low that would be considered on a layer 2 blockchain, because everybody wants to use layer 2 blockchains to increase speed, but also decrease costs as much as possible. 1% tax, I still believe that's going to decrease your gas fees, but I still think that, you know, I mean, if you're trading a lot of money, if you're trading $100,000, dude, you're going to be getting hit with a $1,000 fee to trade. You're not going to want to do that. You'd rather transact on Ethereum at that point. So it all depends on the amounts you're trading, I guess. Noon and 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. I know you must be talking about the times we go live. I know I missed it. Not chilling either, but all my stupid money is rolling into it. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Tim, we talking Lunk, man? That Wolf of Wall Street dude, it says Luna to $1 every DJT. Yeah, man, I know. The Wolf of YouTube, right? Is what you're talking about? The Wolf of YouTube. I see his thumbnails all the time. And I don't know, man. I've watched like one of his videos because he was doing really well on Shiba Inu coin for a while. You know, saying Shiba Inu coin to $1 and things like that. So I think that's why he continues to post things that are going to $1. But yeah, he was doing really well on Shiba for a while. So I think that's why he's moving over. Boom! Naked HP is gone again. Yes. It's been a real one. Long John, man. If you're heading out, man, enjoy your day. Wolf of Wall Street. Is it Wolf of Wall Street or is it Wolf of YouTube? Let's see. Is Cassie still in here? Yes, Cassie's still in here. Boom! Shooting bots down. Clay, bro, if Bitcoin at 60,000, where will new and old Luna and... Gosh, PS5. It's so hard. Somebody asked me. I think Caesar told me that earlier. I think Caesar was talking about that earlier, man. I honestly don't know if Luna Classic and Luna 2.0 will rise accordingly along with Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. I still think that there's a lot of volatility and a detachment from the overall market there that doesn't necessarily correlate to them running up if Bitcoin does. However, I would expect, and this is based on previous price action, right? You got to remember that. I would expect Shiba Inu coin to be in that 5,000 to 6,000 point per coin range if Bitcoin runs back up to 60,000. And that's simply based on history, right? And simply based on what was going on in the past. If Bitcoin is running up massively during some sort of a bull market, all investors are confident, and Shiba Inu coin is tripling in value, quadrupling, quintupling in value, going back up to that 5,000 to 6,000 point per coin range, and investors are willing to take some risks, dude, it could soar even further. You know what I mean? There's a lot of innovation that has happened in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem in the meantime that I believe makes it a better investment, but we don't have things like Robinhood speculation and things like that driving the price either. So that's just my guess based on price action, is that you'd be looking in the 5,000 to 6,000 point per coin range. Wolf of YouTube. Oh, yeah, Wolf of YouTube. That's the guy. I wanted to be Wolf of Naked HD. Let's go. Oh, yeah, sinking rock, man. Wolf of HD. What's wrong with Wolf of HD? Come on. Don't delete Remy. That's why I didn't buy any money crypto power. I think I'm missing Clay. Why aren't you covering AMC anymore? Don't we need the attention to Moon and for FOMO to help? Eric, I think so. I do. I was wanting to do a video on it over the weekend since I hadn't done a video in a while, but I didn't end up doing them. I had a pretty busy weekend. But yes, we do need attention. Eric, what are your thoughts on the stuff that Trey was posting too, and then saying like having a much more conservative price point, and then everybody just ripping into him, man? Are AMC viewers out there? Are they still on the $100,000 to $500,000 price point that they're just gonna rip anybody and call them a shill that has a more conservative price point than they do, or what's the like outlook on the community's price points? Let's see. All right, yeah. Well, Cassie's in here every day. Cassie pays attention. Let's see if I can do it here. Banhammer the bots. Boom! Dropping bombs. Yes. Not Remy. Yeah, don't ban Remy. Remy didn't get banned though, right? Remy, you're still out there? Was it like an accidental timeout or something? I don't know. Remy still is out there, right? He made a video. Would you burn your profit on... Well, Jose Garcia. So I did make a burn video before, but it didn't meet the requirements that I was going to be burning with. But yeah, here's the thing. I think there are so many other videos out there that you could just play on repeat that do burn, like especially Matt Perry's Shiba Inu coin burn channel, the Let It Burn channel, that... I don't think it necessarily matters that people watch mine over somebody else's. He's already set up to do it, so I say why not? Boo! Cassie with a big smile. Oh yes, unsubscribe from Trey's channel. I just can't with him anymore. Frodo, I've seen. Gosh, I don't remember the last full video I watched. I think the last full video I watched was last year of Trey, but I've seen clips of his videos and click to see what he's doing and what he's up to and stuff, but, dude, it seems to, I don't know, man, I don't want to pull a judgment or anything with not having watched a full video in a while. It just seems like I don't know, it's still a little high-strung, but it seems like a different high-strung to me now. I was clicking everything, and I think I timed him out. Outdoor Smile, if you timed him out, it's all right. But as long as he's not banned, well, actually, I might be able to see if I click on here. Yeah, it just says message deleted. I don't think. I mean, I can double check here real quick. It actually might take a minute. Remy, you should be good now, man. If Remy's not good, let me know. If Remy is good, great. But we'll have to see if Remy comes back. Otherwise, you guys got to remind me because I want to make sure he's not banned. I think Matt Perry gave up on his burn channel after his Shib burn portal came out. Roulette wheel. Actually, it would be better. I mean, it's 23. Okay, as long as he's got a weight and he's good and he's not banned, it's good. It would be better to burn. It would be better to burn through the Shib burn portal with your thing now because honestly, I don't think people are going to get upset if he's still burning, but he burns through the Shib burn portal and then he can earn some passive income as he's waiting out there. You know what I mean? Like, he burns it. He just pulls the burns and then he gets a little bit of passive income for burning it too. 3 green candles in a row, strong signal. Yeah, so Michael, man, they usually call those like 3 white soldiers or 3 black soldiers if you're into candlestick patterns. So 3 white soldiers, 3 consecutive rising candles would usually lead to a bullish pattern afterwards. 3 consecutive red or black, whatever your graph looks like, would usually lead to a bearish pattern to follow. So, yes, it could be, but remember, I'm not a huge candlestick guy. But candlesticks can be, like, if you can hit multiple candlesticks in a row and have a few different signals that are bullish, yeah, man, you can have a good one. Hey, está bien, te escuchas y te ves triste, cansado, preocupado. What? I'm good. No, I'm good. Gosh, man, this Spanish is tough. O solo cite. Gosh, what is this one? Overduran? Overduran. Man, I don't know what Overduran is. Somebody help me on that one. Overduran. I don't know. I don't know what it is. No, I'm good. I promise, Juana. I promise I'm good. Caught by accident. Yeah, Remy got caught by accident. You didn't say it, man. No, you were just timed out by Outdoor Smile. Gosh, what is Overduran? I don't know. Somebody help me before I gotta go pull up Google Translate. I promise I'm good, Juana. I promise I'm good. It's unlikely, in my opinion, for AMC to get to $100,000 per share, but I think it easily gets over 1,000, maybe 10 to 25,000. Frodo, you guys know me, man. I would love to see it 1,000. I don't know if it's easily gonna get above it, but dude, could you just imagine like 1,000? I already imagine. Could you just imagine 10,000 though? 25,000? Nah, dude, that would I'd be too happy at 1,000. I don't even know if I'd make it to 10,000, dude. I'd be too happy there. All good. Those bots get me every time. Good deal. My last girlfriend was a bot. Man, we don't need any bots. Wanna said you forgot to take your vitamins. You know what? Actually, I did take a gummy vitamin today. I did not forget that. I did forget it over the weekend, but I did take a gummy vitamin today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did take one. Welcome back, Remy. Long time no see. Yeah, Remy, glad to have you. Juana, I didn't forget to take my vitamins. Dude, Juana's like, man, this dude, he's looking a little weak today. Juana's like, this dude's looking a little weak. Maybe he's got some bags under his eyes. He looks tired. He didn't take his vitamins. Juana coming on with the rip. No. Remy, I'm down for an AI wife. Let's make it happen. Por favor, no habla español. Tu español es muy mal. Giovanni, thank you very much for letting me know. I agree, though. I agree. But that's why I gotta practice, okay? Juana, she speaks Spanish, man. How can this thing ever go on if I don't speak any Spanish? You know, I gotta speak some Spanish. And the only way to speak some Spanish is to practice your Spanish. So I gotta practice somehow. Y'all need to get a red box for real. Ortex numbers keep pushing up. Yeah, I'm cool, man. I actually would like to get red box. Maybe if there's, I don't want to get it right now at these prices. I think it's right at levels of massive resistance. Could break through them and move higher, but I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative and hope for me that it pulls back and I can get a good entry. But for all of you guys that are in it, nah, man, I hope it keeps running. I'd rather not get in and watch it run for you guys. But if it does pull back, I am thinking about getting in. Let's see. It's truly Mo. Ask it over. Yeah, no, Frodo, I agree. I think that, I think there were less shares outstanding on Volkswagen than there are AMC, but either way, it's good. No, tu español muy malo. Tu español está bien. My español está bien. Yeah, you hear that? You hear that, Giovanni? Mi español está bien. What do you think about that, dude? Mi español está bien. That means my Spanish is good, Giovanni. Coming from Juana herself. Gracias, Juana. Gracias. Ooh, muchos gracias. Gosh, I even get the Spanish accent. Muchos gracias, Juana. Yeah, boom, baby. Crypto Rocketeer. Dude, dabbing on him as always. Guys, it must be 5 o'clock if Crypto Rocketeer's dabbing on him and AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. So you guys know what time it is. We're going to get some shout-outs going on. It is dinner time. Get wanted to come to the USA. 90-day fiance. Yeah, shoot, man. Yeah, that would help out the YouTube channel. Let's go on 90-day fiance, Juana. Let's go. Juana is already in the USA, though. She lying, she lying. No, she is not, Giovanni. Mi español está muy bien. What do you think about that? Muy bien. Not just bien, man. Está muy bien. Oh, yeah. 5 o'clock. No, it is 5 o'clock, man. It is 5 o'clock. Guys, get your name in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs. We'll be back with the videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Thank you guys very much for hanging out. You're the best, Clay. Giovanni, you're the best, man. Thanks for hanging out. And let's do these shout-outs, guys. We'll be back in a couple hours with these videos, too. AMC Trapper, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Shiba Army, boom, dabbing on them as always. Crypto Rocketeer, Regular Potato, please hit the like for our bro. Please do it. And subscribe as well if you haven't done it already. Crypto Rocketeer, see you later, man. Giovanni Lewis, Roulette Wheel, Remy, Frodo, Giovanni, Mr. Simon, Outdoor Smile, Cassie. Until the next time. Oh, yeah. Tim, see you later, man. Giovanni, Master Shiba, I'm cool. Zachary, Master Shiba, Caesar, Crypto Rocketeer, nice. Congratulations, Cassie, for sure. Shout it out, Regular Potato. Oh, yes. PF5, Future of Gaming, Legend of Cryptos and Stocks. Thank you very much, PS5. Nufo, Shiba, Inu, Pluto. Ahoo, yes. Remy, no longer blocked, man. Remy, glad to have you back, man. Cassie, thank you for being in here every single day. Really appreciate you. But you guys know what time it is. Time to say, Juana, enjoy your evening, and thank you for everything. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.